Daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend Saturday, October the 26th, 2024. Tomorrow it will be Sunday, October the 27th. We have here first two regular puzzles. Sudoku with Sudoku Medium with 3 stars. Look, October the 26th. This one I will solve in a minute. And the other regular puzzle is a samurai Sudoku. This one I will solve tomorrow evening. It will take me more than an hour to solve. And we have a puzzle page here. Yeah, a puzzle page. In this weekend edition, let me show you. We have 6 extra puzzles, 2 stars, 4 stars, Killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the last one is a tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. 6 puzzles, 4 of them I will solve this evening, and tomorrow on Sunday, yeah, we have an additional. Yeah, this additional is back. A couple of days ago, we have no extra puzzle, no additional. In this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. No, tomorrow afternoon. Not in this evening. Tomorrow afternoon. And in the evening, the samurai Sudoku tomorrow. Yeah. But now, let me start with this medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku. Let me put the newspaper correctly here. Alright, this one will be number 9483. 9483. Okay. 9483. Come on. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 26 printed digits. Yeah, 26. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with a 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right, 6, 1. 3 missing numbers in this second column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this row. No 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 5. All right. Then, yeah. Let me see. How about the 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column. So the column next down needs to place 11. 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. 7. 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row. From the first row down needs to place 11. 7 should be here. Or there. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7. Then need a 5 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 in these two boxes. Oh, wait. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and a 3. We have 6 and a 3 in the last column, so no 6 and a 3 in these two boxes. We have a 6 and a 3 in the middle row, so no 6 and a 3 in those two boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and the 3. Alright. So we have 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 6 should be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then need a 2 here. Need a 2 there, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. And we have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left of the 2 in this big square should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then, let me see. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3, 3. Yeah. Come on. How about? The 1. Need a 5, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column, the middle column. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. And looking for 1 and a 5 in this row. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 9. 1 and 5, and I need a 6 here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 in these two boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4, A should be there. 4, 4. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, third column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1, okay. Then, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. In this big square, we have an 8 in the third row, no 8 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for an 8 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 3, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have 3 and a 5 in the last column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then, let me see. 6, 3. In this column, we need a 3. Well, We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left with a 3 in this column. Should be there. So if eliminated at a 6, so the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes here. Also the 1 and the 8 in this column. And 1 number left. Should be the 7. Yeah, I need a 7 in the last column. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in column X. On the last column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left, the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 7. Alright, okay. Here should be also 1 and 8 are left in this big square. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes and there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. From the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. 2 numbers left now in the middle row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 6, we already have a 6 now in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 6, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column, the 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 4. Then 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 5 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, same numbers, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Wow. Told you. Cannot be a 3 stars, not the 2 stars. Yeah, 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. I'm faster than 15. So it should be a 1 star. Yeah, a 1 star puzzle. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If it's so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with a puzzle page with 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.